In this video, I'm going to go over the culture and derivative section of the Unit 11b test. A branch of knowledge or study dealing with a body of facts or truth systematically arranged and showing the operation of general law. Q, that's science. So, from the word skio, to know. A session lasting about 6 months, including periods of recess. That would be a semester. A general feeling about not directly attributed to any given stimulant, such as discomfort, anxiety, or doubt. That'd be a sensation from sentio. Extremely liberal in giving, very generous. This is a weird one. This is munificent. And so that's a good word to use, from munio, to build. And to stay attached, stick, click, or cling, that would be to adhere, from Hario. The English phrase, it means opter dictum. That would be said by the way. Again, we have the word dictum, said. You can figure it out that way. Which Roman gave the most exact calendar we have today? That'd be Julius Caesar. Is known for that. What is the name of the dressing room or the locker room? That would be the Podatorium. The name that means colored river is Colorado. Cicero is established among the Romans as the most accomplished orator. So, lively, energetic spirit, enthusiasm, that would be vim. From vis vis. Heaviness and weight would be gravity, from gravis. Session lasting 6 months is usually a semester. Lightness of mind would be levity, from leves. Easily provoked to anger is irascible, from ira, meaning. So an alter ego is the other I. Calendar would be Julius Caesar. The person who became dictator and returned back to his farm was Cincinnatus. Penn's Woods is literally Pennsylvania. And the exercise room would be the palastra. Constituting of the whole, the entire, that would be total. From totus, not aligned, would be neutral, from neutra. To interchange repeatedly from one another in one place would be to alternate. To render, declare legally void or inoperative. D would be to nullify, from nullus. And to stick, cling, stick fast would be to adhere. The dressing room is the Podatorium. Green Mountain would be Vermont. Volkshammer is the voice of humanity. The warm bath would be the Tepidarium. After leading the Romans to victory, Cincinnatus resigned the dictatorship and returned to his plow. A general feeling is a sensation, from sentio. Extremely liberal and giving and generous. This is munificent. Again, that's a difficult one. The estimation of a person is held. This would be the reputation. Having to polish. Sovereignty regarded as characteristic of sophisticated. This would be someone who's urbane, that's city-like. People from the city are more sophisticated. To separate into constitute element part, break up, that would be to resolve. Again, from the word solo, to loosen. The coal bath is the frigidarium. Think about frigid. Maiden's land is Virginia. Cicero is an established orator. Flowery land is Florida. And in loco parentes means in place of the parent. So at another time is an alias. To show if something is right or just is to justify. Next after first would be secondary. Something that's sharp or biting is acrid. And to make a single unit is to unify. So doctors, doctor's assistants, and nurses were often Greek slaves. Vox populi is the voice of the people. ipso facto is by the very fact. Hortus Cocculus, Mucius Scaevola, and Cincinnatus were all early Roman patriots. And if you were a hospes or hospita, you were required to give all of the above: legal protection, personal contacts, medical assistance, and food and shelter to a guest.